Hi everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your email on NYT games. So let's dive into the video without wasting much of our time. Launch open your NYT games application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, tap on the profile icon at the top right hand corner, which will then open up the settings menu. In order to change your email, tap on manage your account. Then it'll take you to nytimes.com webpage. You might need to enter your credentials for your New York Times account in order to get to this page. And after you are inside, tap on the update button right next to your email address. Now, in order to change to a new email, type in the new email you'd like to change to in the enter email text box. Once you are done, you'll need to type in your current password for your account. After it's done, tap on save and you will be able to change your email address on NYT Games account. Remember that the email that you just changed to is not already associated with any other account and you should be able to do it right away. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.